This hair growth batter, or call it hair growth moisturizer, is one of the best you can ever find. And the good news is, I'm going to show you how to make this yourself at home. When my hair was thinning out, I was losing my edges, my hair was breaking. This is one of the hair growth batter that helped me repair my hair. And now my hair is flourishing, it's growing thicker and beautiful. If you want to know how to make this batter, make sure you watch this video to the end. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So one of my ingredients for today's recipe is the fenugreek, and I'm going to use both the fenugreek powder as well as the fenugreek seeds. You do not have to use both. You can use either the seeds or the powder, but I just love to use both. And I'd like to hear from you in the comment section below if you have used fenugreek seeds in any way. And if you haven't used fenugreek seeds in your hair growth journey before, I can guarantee you by the end of this video, you'll be looking for these seeds. Fenugreek seeds have so many benefits for our natural hair. But hey girl, I would love for you to show me some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you'll be notified. I'm also going to use organic olive oil. I love olive oil because it's lightweight and can be easily absorbed into the hair strand to prevent hair breakages. So I put my fenugreek seeds and my fenugreek powder in my mason jar. And at this point, I'm just adding my olive oil. The next carrier oil I'm going to add is my coconut oil. Coconut oil is also very lightweight and can be easily absorbed into the hair strand. It can help prevent dandruff and also treat your scalp from any scalp issues. These two oils can help prevent hair breakages and is really great for today's recipe. So after adding them to my fenugreek seeds and my fenugreek powder, I'm going to give it a good stir and I'm going to put it in a pot of boiling water. This will help the oil to be infused into my fenugreek, and after it is warm to touch, about 20 minutes time, I'm going to set it aside to cool down, and I have my fenugreek oil. And at this point, we're going to strain the oil because it's all cooled down. And hey girl, you know how we do it here. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. And if you are new here and you enjoy contents like these, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you'll be notified. On this channel, I do a lot of DIYs using natural ingredients that can help you grow your hair faster. So make sure to join us by subscribing. So our next ingredient is the shea butter. I just love shea butter. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if you have used shea butter in any way, whether on your skin or on your hair. But today, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this shea butter. Shea butter has so many great properties for hair growth. Shea butter contains anti-inflammatory properties as well as some fatty acids, which help to treat scalp conditions and improve the overall health of the scalp. This can also strengthen the hair follicles to prevent hair breakages, hair loss, and make your hair grow much thicker and fuller. Shea butter can condition your hair and provide strength to your hair strands, and this will preserve your hair and prevent it from breaking or from shedding. So I transfer my shea butter into a big bowl and I transfer it into a pot of boiling water to melt it. So this is my shea butter all melted. So at this point, I just give it a quick stir and I'm going to put it in my refrigerator till it's about halfway solid and halfway liquid. I'm going to show you in a minute what I mean by that. It took about a couple of hours to get that texture that I want. Depending on how cold your fridge freezes, you can just determine by going in to check every now and then to make sure you get this texture. You see how it is kind of halfway solid, halfway liquid. This is exactly what we need. So at this point, we're going to whip it away like no one's business. If you're still watching this video to this point, I hope you are really enjoying it because I really enjoyed filming it. I would love for you to show me some love by giving this video a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. And if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you'll be notified. Each time you click on that notification bell, make sure you select all. It comes right next to the bell. That way you will not miss any of my videos. So I'm going to add my pure glycerin. Glycerin is great for natural hair. It is going to prevent hair breakages and add some strength to your hair strands. At this point, I'm going to add my fenugreek oil. I'm also going to add my extra virgin oil. This oil will help provide strength to my hair strands. And I'm also going to add in my grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is also lightweight. It also does the same job as the olive oil. It penetrates your hair and prevents hair breakages. So I added all three oils to my batter, and I'm going to even whip it more. Let me tell you more about the fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds has so many great properties for our natural hair. It contains proteins and amino acids which can prevent hair breakages. It also contains iron which helps stimulate healthy hair growth. So at this point I'm going to add my essential oil, and I'm going to add my peppermint oil. I chose peppermint oil because I love the fragrance. And aside that, peppermint oil can also treat your scalp from dandruff and any scalp issues. I'm also going to add my Jamaican black castor oil. This oil can help you grow back your edges if your hair is thinning or if you're balding on any part of your hair. This oil can help you regrow all spots back. So make sure you add it to your hair care regimen. I'm also going to add my tea tree oil. You can use the essential tea tree oil, but I love this brand because of what it does for my hair. I love the tingling effect on my scalp, and this will help treat your scalp also from any scalp issues. So guess what? All the ingredients put together has great properties that will help boost your hair growth. And the great thing is this recipe is going to prevent hair breakages, hair thinning, as well as hair fall. So I'm going to transfer my whipped batter into my mason jar. I love this consistency because after a while, this batter is going to thicken up or it's going to be a little harder than you see now. So it is good to make it this consistency. The longer you whip, the better. So this is what we have now, and I'm going to show you the best way to use it. But hey, if you haven't shown me love already, please do by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these for hair growth, you'll be notified. On this channel, I do a lot of DIYs that can help you boost your hair growth as well as simple hairstyle tutorials. The great thing about this batter is you can even use it for your skin. It can help prevent dry, flaky skin and help your skin to flourish. So you can use it in both ways. My batter is all ready, and make sure you're watching this to the end because I'm going to show you the best way to use it. Before using this hair batter, make sure you go in with your leave-in conditioner. So I just go in with my leave-in conditioner. Make sure I get the leave-in conditioner to every part of my hair, and this will also assist to prevent your hair from breaking. The next thing is to go in with my hair batter. A little goes a long way. You don't need much, just a little will do the job. So after getting my batter like this, I'm going to spread it through my hair and make sure every part of my hair gets this yummy batter. Whenever you apply the batter, make sure you're massaging your scalp because massaging your scalp can also improve blood circulation in your scalp, which can also boost hair growth. Do not forget your ends. Remember, the ends of our hair is the oldest part of our hair and they need some TLC. So make sure to show it some love. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have given it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I know you have subscribed. But before you leave, make sure to click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it. Bye.